Hey folks, thanks once again for stopping by. I am Paulie B here with Barletta Marketing in the Big Apple, New York City. And a big shout out to everybody. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. 2024 is at the door, and we're going to do more in climbing the ladder to success. And may God continually bless, richly bless you and your families from Barletta Marketing. We're going to be discussing the OLSP system. Yes, the OLSP system by none other than the legendary Wayne Crow. If you haven't heard of Wayne Crow yet, folks, he's like us here at Barletta Marketing. He wants to help the poor and the struggling. And I say that here at the end of 2023, we know what's going on. Inflation is still continually rising. Food prices are going up. Gas prices. Folks, I know a lot of you are hurting. And I believe from the inner parts of my soul that you are not here by any coincidence. Our God in heaven, our Creator who created us, never says, oops. You're here by divine appointment. Be encouraged. Never give up on your dream, because it's never going to go away. And if you go after your dream, you will have it. Disclaimer, you have to take action, folks. You have to take action, and you have to come over the hurdles, the obstacles, because faith without works is dead, folks. $7 to get in, folks. Build a healthy income now. We are getting results within 24 hours. $7 to start, folks, with your mega link. As soon as you go in and pay your $7, folks, Wayne Crow will take you by the hand. You will get your mega link. Here's the mega link right here. You will get your mega link, and he will teach you via all these products how you could go in for free once you get in for $7 and start. I'm starting with this Facebook 101, folks. It's so easy. Within 24 hours, people are receiving commissions. So, folks, what is the OLSP system? You'll have your link, like I put mine in here. You'll have a capture page. People go to that capture page. There's an autoresponder. There is an autoresponder. Yes, folks. Let me just put in my email here, and let's see where it goes. And it'll go right here, folks. Unlock the one link you need to rake in regular $270 paydays on total autopilot. Let's listen to Wayne Crow's introduction. And this is the exact same thing that you will get. You share your mega link. They'll teach you how to do that via YouTube, Pinterest, TikTok.
Imagine one side hustle that creates not one, not two, but 7 different income streams. And it does this without adding 7 times the work. You do the work of just one side hustle. It does take about 30 minutes a day, and it's as if you are working 3.5 hours per day on 7 different side hustles. Yet you're creating 7 different passive income streams all at the same time with just one side hustle. It's not getting paid to do surveys or getting paid to click things or anything like that. It's not being a virtual assistant or a freelancer. It's not a remote work job where you're chained to your desk and your computer all day. Now, only 140,000 people out of 5 billion people online know about this, and they are quietly making a small fortune. Take a look at these verified and documented results. So you're probably asking, how the hell are they doing that? Well, if you've heard of affiliate marketing before, then you know that a normal affiliate link pays you for 1 commission. So one affiliate link creates one income stream for you. Well, this system uses something totally different than a normal affiliate link. It uses what we call a mega link, and that pays you 7 different streams of income. Imagine a system where one link does the power of 7. Now let's find out how much money we can make in 24 hours inside the OLSP system with our mega link. Are you ready? Because here we go. So I'm about to share my mega link and make money. See our mega link right here. Now I'm going to click send to share our mega link with as many people as possible. Okay, so the mega link has been shared. Let's hope some people click on it. So take a note of the time that you see on my screen right now, because we'll be referring back to it shortly. Okay, we're back, and as you can see by the clock, time has moved on. Okay, it's been a fair few hours since we shared our mega link, so let's log into OLSP System and see if we've made money. My God, look at that, guys. Look at how easy that was when you know what you're doing. Look how many different commissions we've made. That is the power of 7 income streams from one side hustle. So if you feel like nothing is working for you, if you're bouncing around from one website to the next, trying to get paid, to take surveys or getting paid to click, if you're feeling frustrated and overwhelmed trying to make money with a remote job or as a freelancer, then maybe it's time to stop kicking a dead horse and make the switch to the OLSP system. By the way, my name is Wayne Crow and I am the creator of the OLSP system. It's actually cost me well over $250,000 and over 4 years to build the OLSP system and the mega link. It may look like a simple link to you, but it's just like an iceberg, and the mega link is the tip of that iceberg. Below the surface of the water, there's a whole system that's doing incredible things. Here's what will happen when you go below and click the button and register for your OLSP system account today. Okay, so you'll get your own login details instantly. You'll log into the OLSP system and your mega link will be sitting there waiting just for you. Okay, you'll get all of the training you need to share your mega link and finally start making good money online. All you have to do is share the link in the ways that we teach you, just like Beverly did. Now this is Beverly, and she didn't know what a mega link was just a short while ago. She got her OLSP system account just like you are, and she started sharing her mega link. She followed just one of our instructions on how to share it for just 30 minutes per day by using a 100% free method. Now let's fast forward a number of weeks, and Beverly has already made $2,052.48 in just 3 weeks starting from scratch. She didn't have to wait long to get commissions paid out either. That's because commissions are paid out daily, so you make money extremely fast. OLSP system members are getting paid out on time and like clockwork. So let's do a quick recap. You're going to get your mega link that creates 7 income streams from just one link. You're going to get paid out your commissions quickly, just like everyone else. Plus you're going to get all the training you need to share your mega link using our free methods. And here's another great reason to get your OLSP system account right now. Now, OLSP system is also the home of the OLSP community. You'll be part of a community of over 140,000 people who are supporting each other every single day.
Yes, folks, every single day I'm part of that community. And folks, it is a beautiful community. Everyone's helping one another. We go in there every day. Folks, it seems too good to be true, but it is true. You can grab your mega link today. Go into the description. If you join Paulie's Inner Circle, I will put you on my buddy Money Robot. You can give me anytime you want, folks, any URL. This is the super bonus. You can call my phone number, 862-658-2086. Anytime. Please don't call after 12 p.m. You can call me at 862-658-2086. Whenever you need any support, I will be there for you. If I'm on the phone with someone else, I will call you back within minutes. And I am a real mentor, a real coach, and I love helping people. I will put you on this money robot, any link you want, folks, and whenever you want. You can give me 10 URLs to a YouTube video, to a TikTok video, whatever it is. I'm going to put this in my social tab, which will go out to TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube. I will put you on my traffic tab included in this software. Folks, if you were to get this software yourself, it's $67 a month, or you can buy the license for $497, $500. But you're not going to pay any of that. I'm going to put any URL you want on this Money Robot software. And it is a rotator. You'll be on my rotator for any URL you want. Folks, you can't lose what we use here at Barletta Marketing. Please give me a call anytime. Go in the description. $7, folks. $7 to start, really? Yes, folks. And you will grow with the OLS system and make money within 24 hours. Disclaimer, not everyone's going to do it. Why? Because they don't take action. I know you're an action taker. You wouldn't be here on Christmas Day if you weren't. Thank you very much for your time. Have a great day and a great evening. And as always, God bless. Bye-bye.